Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what you're working on: a mechanical, membrane, or laptop scissor switch keyboard, because the fix differs. Once identified, test the Shift key in a text editor and a keyboard tester to note whether it's intermittent, stuck, or unresponsive. Now power down and unplug or remove the battery to prevent damage. While you're here, collect a small screwdriver, compressed air, isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and a replacement switch or keycap if needed. You remove the keycap using a puller, paying attention to stabilizers and orientation so reassembly is straightforward. Once exposed, blow compressed air into the cavity and check for debris, bent stabilizer wires, or plastic shards that seize the stem. If it's a scissor or membrane keyboard, inspect the rubber dome and replace or reseat it. For mechanical switches, test the switch itself and desolder, or swap it if contacts are burnt. Make sure to clean surrounding contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. You reassemble by seating the stabilizer and snapping the keycap on with even pressure, then reconnect power and test the Shift key across a few apps to confirm consistent operation. If it still misbehaves, update keyboard drivers or firmware and test with an external keyboard to isolate hardware from software issues. If the Shift works externally, the internal assembly needs deeper repair. Otherwise, if replacing the switch or dome didn't help, consider professional service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.